Hi, Ryan here. I want to show you the how dynamic class works within GutenBricks. So I created this block using Bricks Builder, and we have something called variants, which I'll be showing you on that other video. But variants are awesome. Then you can use variant to change the layout. However, if you want to fine tune the blocks, I would use something called dynamic class, and I will show how it works. So yeah, I have something called a hero background here. I can change the background into different colors and just give your user some variety. And also I can change the size of the font, hero font. Yeah, it doesn't look very pretty. I'm just showing you as an example, and you can switch the hero size. So let me show you how it works under the hood. So let me pull up the front end code. So in the front end code, if I open up the inspector, as you can see, I'm actually applying this specific class on this element. So this class can be global class within Bricks Builder, or if it's not global class, it will still render. And then in that case, you might want to use external CSS or something like that. Now let's take a look at this one. Yeah, so I'm applying a class called a big hero and text blue. Okay, so let me show you how I set it up step by step. The first of all, so basically I'm using two things here. One is ACF, another one is Meta Box. I'm just showing you that it works in both plugins, and also you can actually mix them up together. I never knew that. Okay, so first, ACF. You want to set up the ACF field. Oh, sorry, this is Meta Box. Like this. So what I did is I created a radio button and set the field name and put the choices like this. So basically the value of the choice is a class name. And then I set the location, the rules of this ACF groups to templates. You can also do more detailed target, like for example, I can assign to a specific templates like this. Yep, and it also works the same inside the Meta Box. So in the Meta Box, what I did, I set up the hero size, and here I actually put two class names as the values. So for big blue, I put the big hero class space and the text blue. And for this one, I have to set up the location. So in this case, I put the post type to template. Also, you can do advanced location rules to set to specific templates. Once that's done, I'll go to my templates. So this is the templates I'm using. One thing you notice is that I have something like this, but these are not rendered. I just merely use this part, something called the comments, as basically a commons documentation. So this I can actually hide from rendering by toggling something called a turn off rendering. So this is a very handy thing. So I can actually leave some guidelines, put some comments, or you can even work on the styles like this. Just part of my workflow. So here if you want to, sorry, the most important part of this video is that applying the dynamic class. It's very simple and straightforward. Come to the GutenBricks settings. So click the elements you want to apply the dynamic class to, and under the GutenBricks setting, you will see something called a dynamic class. Here, basically, you're applying the ACF value or the Meta Box value. So once that's done, that's it. You're all set. Now you can allow your users to choose variations of a block, making your blocks more dynamic and have more options, and ultimately giving them the ultimate editing experience. Okay, so that's all, and I'll be covering variants in another video. Thank you.